Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset, you have issues connecting or pairing to a device, maybe one earbud's not working, one side is lower than the other, or maybe it keeps disconnecting, or maybe it's out of sync, and so on. So the only way I know how to factory reset these, there's no way you can actually do it manually, is you have to go through the Samsung wearable app. So for instance, here's a Samsung Galaxy S25. The thing is, even if you have another Android phone, like a Google Pixel and so on, even a Windows computer, PC, or laptop, you can download the Samsung wearable app. And then once you do that, you have to connect the earbuds, and then you can factory reset using the app, okay? So we're currently connected to this phone here. Let me just open these up. Let me make sure that it connects. So let me go to, okay, so it's connected here to my Samsung wearable app. Let me just go to the app itself. It's in my Samsung folder here. It's a wearable right there. Let's tap on that. It has to be connected, or if not, all this will be grayed out, okay? And then from here, you simply want to go to earbud settings. And then down here, it says reset. Tap that right there. All your earbud settings will be reset to their defaults. Tap on reset. And then voila, you're done. Okay, so it's in pairing mode now. That's why that pops up. So your factory reset, now you're ready to go to connect back to the device or a different device. Any questions or issues? Comment below.